Add to water and water your Christmas tree. It will instantly stop shedding needles. No more worrying about needles all over the floor before Christmas Eve. Every live Christmas tree needs a constant supply of water, so make sure you have a stand that holds water. The tree's size and the room temperature will largely determine how often you need to water it. Check daily to see if there's water in the stand, though even then, trees can lose needles. Here's a simple trick to prevent that. Prepare a special mixture and add it to the water each time you water the tree. This will help it retain its needles. The method is straightforward, but it's essential to prepare the mixture with the right proportions. Use slightly warm water for this fertilizer to help the ingredients dissolve better and faster. For each liter of water, you'll need 3 tablespoons of the mixture, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of salt. I'm preparing half a liter, so I'll use half a tablespoon of sugar and 1 tablespoon of salt. Dissolve the sugar and salt in warm water, and the tree fertilizer is ready. Now, water your Christmas tree and enjoy its beautiful green needles all season long.